¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. We are looking at some turn signals. Of course, if you guys seen the Sportster build, I purchased some turn signals, some LEDs, some knockoff custom dynamics, and they failed already after maybe 2 weeks. We have some dead LEDs. So we have these SIG signals, and they're basically from Rogue Rider Industries. I don't know if that's just the name of the lighting SIG adapters, optional SIG adapters. I'm not sure what that is, but so yeah, this is the unboxing. Road Rider Industries SIGs 1157 bullet style inserts. So basically 1157 and 1156. The 1156, I believe they don't have the running lamps, so it's basically like a 2-wire connector instead of a 3, or what is it? Yeah, you have the black, the blue, and then you have the purple. The purple is your turn signal, the blue is your running light, and then of course black is your ground. The 1156, that's a 2-wire connector, so that's basically turn signal inches ground, and there's no LED function, kind of like what you get with the custom dynamics when it comes to having that halo. So this one is a little bit different from your custom dynamic turn signal. So we have, let's see what we have here. We have some installation instructions for it. I mean, it's a very simple install. You guys already seen some of my other videos. So here's what I was mentioning. You have the 1156. It's just a single contact, which is your ground and your positive, and then of course you have the dual contacts on the 1157, and that's your ground, running light, and turn signal. So that's why that's the difference between that. So instructions, troubleshooting tips, stuff like that, which is very nice. And we have some cool looking stickers here. These are awesome. Look at this one right here. That's pretty badass, huh? So we have that, and then we have another little thing here. Well, another little, please note, before installing, verify new LED connections are the correct style. So 1157 is what typically we see with most modern Harleys. I'm guessing the 1156, those are like the old style, the old school ones. So we have that, and let's go ahead and look at the packaging. Is very nice compared to some other ones that I purchased. So I have custom dynamics, I have China knockoff ones, and now I have these, and the packaging is very high quality so far. I like the attention to detail and just the overall quality of it. You can see this is a rigid. It's like sleeved as well. It's nice. I haven't seen anything like this with the other ones. You have a high quality protection on the wires. This one's almost kind of like the same way. The custom dynamics is also nice because it has a little slot for your Phillips flathead that kind of goes in there, and you're able to turn this into place, because you do have to push in and then turn to get it to lock in. So there's the 2 contacts. Like I said, this is very nice. He has some added protection, some high quality build overall, and like I was mentioning, these all turn white, so you don't have a halo with these. With the custom dynamics, you have a halo, so this will provide a little bit more lighting. We'll see. It's a different style of LEDs compared to the custom dynamics, and on these ones, of course, you have a kind of a black backing right here. And that's just going to give us a little bit more contrast when it comes to the light, and of course what's behind it. So very high quality. This is really nice. The whole back of this is actually, it's got like a coat of clear to protect all the contacts. A lot of the other ones, you don't have that. A lot of the other ones, the circuit board, which is what's on the LEDs, it's all exposed. So this should protect against corrosion when it comes to, of course, the moisture in the air, which is nice. So overall, high quality. I'm very surprised by how well these are made. These are nice. They are nice. And like I mentioned, all of these lights, all of the LEDs turn white, and they also turn amber. Sorry, they turn white and amber. So you are going to benefit from all that extra lighting, because I believe the ambers on the custom dynamics are only the ones on the inside. So you have the white halo on the outside, and then when you use a turn signal, only the ones on the inside turn amber. These ones, all of it's going to turn amber, and all of it turns white. There's no halo effect. Like I said, these are high quality. It's a high quality product. Like I said, I'm surprised about the build quality, and for the price, they are reasonable. So after buying the $40 ones, the cheap knockoff ones, just save your money. Just get something a little bit better. That way you're not buying this stuff 2 or 3 times. So hey, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. These, like I said, these fit on basically everything that Harley has. It's the same style signal light, so you could put this on basically anything. Twin cam softails, Evos, and the new Milwaukee 8s. You can use this on pretty much everything that Harley has to offer. So nice little budget piece, and I'll post side by side comparing it to the custom dynamics. So you guys stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read, life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.